Hey guys, quick video for you on what are some alternatives to UBlock Origin. Now, if you're gonna use Firefox, you can keep using original UBlock Origin. So Mozilla Firefox still supports the original, more powerful UBlock Origin, but I don't know if you want to use Firefox, but I still want to mention it in the beginning. Then also another one that you can check out, very popular one, more and more popular one, is a Brave browser. So you have like private search, powerful VPN, built-in AI assistant. So it got great integrated ad blocker that you can use, but I don't know if you are into it. Now another one that you can use is just go to, it's like you're gonna have extensions, Chrome, and you're gonna check here for the ad block when you're gonna write here. So you have like AdBlock Plus here, AdBlock, or like AdBlock for YouTube, and or like PyBlock, AdBlock. So try this out. Some of these maybe it's going to be beneficial for you. Also, another one that you can like check out is AdGuard. So this is another one that serves the web ad-free, blocks all kind of ads, remove annoying web elements, save traffic and speeds up page loading, works for browser and apps, maintains the site functionality. So this is another one, or you can also check the Privacy Badger. That's like another one for you to check out. And made by Electronic Frontier Foundation, learns which trackers to block. When enabling local learning, there is option to show domain that don't appear to tracking, free and open source. So that's something. Or I even friend might told me that you can like literally just like something in router, just like block the ads, but I don't know how to do it. But that's something that you can do too. Have a great day and goodbye.